Hello guys, welcome back to Finstock Beanstalk. You're back again with another video, and we are still doing the series on content creation on Instagram. And today we're going to discuss on how you can get verified on Instagram, how you can get the blue tick, as a lot of people call it. And here we give you tips on how you can grow your social media, how you can make money online, and even courses you should make sure you are doing to improve your skill set in today's era. And the first thing you need to do is create a strong brand identity. This comes down to how specifically you edit your video, the hashtag you use, the thumbnails you use, and this will make sure that if people come across your video, they are going to notice that this video is from this particular brand. And this also means that you have to make sure that you're posting your videos at a certain period of time, and that is how you create a strong brand identity that you're very unique, and people will also easily identify your video because your videos are unique and they're edited with a certain style, and they're posted at a certain period of time. And the second thing is to grow your following. Obviously, for you to get verified, you have to make sure that you're growing your following on social media. You have to make sure that you gain as more followers as possible, and we did a video about how you can grow your following on social media, and specifically Instagram. So make sure that you go and check that video out, and it will give you tips to make sure that you increase your growing on Instagram. And the next one is to prove your authenticity. So you have to make sure that you prove to Instagram that your brand is clean, your following is real, and you're not maybe using fish ways like to gain followers, like a lot of people get to buy followers and views and all that. If you do that, trust me, Instagram is going to notice, and for you to get verified, you're going to have a difficult time getting verified. And the other one is to increase your online presence. You're trying to get verified, and for you to get verified, you have to make sure that your online presence is very active. You can even go an extra step and hire someone who is going to manage your Instagram account to make sure that your online presence is active a lot of the times, because you don't just post once a week on Instagram. You have to make sure that you are very present on Instagram, and you are going to have an easy time getting a verification. And the other one is very obvious, is sending a verification request. Your channel is supposed to be verified, but because you have not sent a verification request to Instagram, your account is still dormant and you don't have verification. So make sure that you implement those 5 tips, which are: create a strong brand identity, grow your following, prove your authenticity, increase your online presence, and then submit your verification request. And that is it, guys. Those are the 5 tips to make sure that you get verified or get a blue tick on Instagram. Make sure you follow them, and don't forget the last one, which is submit a verification request, because a lot of people might have followers but they have not sent their verification request. That is it, guys. If you want maybe to create more Instagram professionally, how to shoot professional videos, how to edit them, you can enroll for a film production course at Finstock University College. They have these online courses where they teach, and they have professional, and you get to be verified. You get to be certified at the end of the course. So make sure you visit them. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com. You can also call their customer care number at 0703-313-722, or even send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Also, don't forget to like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And that is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.